Araneta Dreams. It's been a while since we did a video blog. So today we let you know and update you with all the newest things we're doing. All the good and the positive things that we're doing.
I'm King Calabao. I'm King Tabachi. Mr. Bobby Manpapo. How you doing, my team? We are backstage of the Vice Ganda show. And I am the host. The prettiest face in Santa Ana. We have Pinoy Big Brother.
Okay, adjust po tayo. Second line to, adjust tayo sa likod. Atras po tayo.
That's it. You know, Glock 9 gets busy, done. You know what I'm saying?
Of the hour, light from the tower. Thank you for letting me rock and win the championship ring. One of the few Filipinos that probably got to do it.
Action.
Banda?
Tayo.
Let's take it back to the time of Robinson's Galleria. Meron mga storya dyan na kung ano-ano ang mga sinasabi nila tungkol sa nangyari sa Robinson's Galleria. Sa amin naman, parang binaliwala din lang namin kasi sa dami namin ginagawa. We had a desperate visitor. We had a desperate visitor. We had a desperate visitor.
Papa told me right now, Robinsons, it's my birthday, we about to eat. You know what I'm saying?
We're about to eat good.
We at Mahon right now, huh? I think I said it right. Mangan. Yeah, we eat na. Kaina, ah. We eat meat.
Kanina pa eh.
Happy birthday!
Siyang the Calabaos.
Sa tingin ninyo, kung meron kayong mga endorsements na ginagawa, meron kayong mga album na lalabas, meron mga tour para sa mga malalaking kumpanya, meron kayong TV show, meron kayong sine na ginagawa dito sa Robinson's Galleria mismo, gagalaw ba kayo at manggugulo at mag-stoop down kayo sa level na gusto nilang dalhin kayo? Siyempre, hindi. Next day, I come to celebrate. After celebrating with Looney, Jayhan, and Glock 9, this is Andrew E's birthday. Right the next day, and we came and we celebrated and we show support because we have love for what he's done and the help he has given us, and we want to show support. After that day comes Sunday. Tough had an event in his store. Tough had an event in his store in Pasig. Somebody had attempted to take Looney's life. Somebody tried to stab my friend. And to me, it's too crazy because we don't know who did it. I mean, there are people online that were talking reckless. So, but instead of making a big deal out of it because we didn't want no more negative press about it or anything like it, we realized and we just said, you know what? From now on, let's just be safe. And instead of going backwards and paying attention to all the negative stuff that's going on, let's just be successful, keep on working hard, and just be safe and be aware. Sige, yayain mo ng suntukan yan. So there's a person on radio, he asked me to fight in the ring. We're going to document how I trained and became a boxer for money, for Pulp Magazine. And to me, it was like, I thought about it. I was just upset kasi sa timing. Ang pangit naman ng timing. But this time around, I have to get reacquainted with the gloves because we're fighting for something very important, and I want to stand behind my principles show dignity as a human being and fight against evil. And the best way to do it without keeping it street, I guess, is right here. It's a sport. I'm really gonna do it really for unity, not for money, for charity. And to show people that what kind of heart Mike Swift got. Ito nga, namuntik na tayo nawala ng isang kaibigan na sa halip na yun ang ating bigyan ng atensyon. Mike Swift no longer a rapper, no longer a director, a writer. Now he's also a boxer. He's a friend of mine. And maybe we had differences back then about the system of how Philippine hip-hop should take its direction. Then, but never, I would not consider him my friend. And I'm glad that me and him are talking again to work things out. And siya na mismo nagsabi sa akin na he would rather take the positive route, and I feel the same way. Kung may pagkakamali man ako noon, pagbabago, positive, good vibes. But, don't get it twisted, I was ready. And I started training. Honestly, itong vlog na to, para lang din maipakita sa mga tao kung anong ginagawa namin na matagal na. Ito ang amin, kayo na ang naging pamilya namin, konektado. At yung habol namin mapuno ang Araneta, tinatrabaho namin yan. Sigurado ba natin magagawa? Oo, sigurado. Pagkasama kayo,
What's the deal, Pai? Oh, shit.
salamat sa pumunta sa aking garawan sa
I know you've probably been all over the world and you think you've seen it all.
Watch out, talagang pupunuin natin ang Araneta, nigga!
Dahil tayo narito kay Cap Freddy, suwi may Micropinoy! Alam niyo na ang klaseng pagmamahal dito! Anong klaseng mahika ang naibibigay ng entabladong ito? Sa isang tunay na tao na kagaya nyo, kagaya mo!
Madalangan ng tugtugan inyong maaasahan. Buong pamilya, buong kabarkada, lahat ay sama-sama. Pamilyang Aguilar, naandyan. Pamilyang Swizzle, naandyan. Pamilyang Konektado, naandyan. Diyan tayo lahat. Kita-kita rin ang Coliseum. Alam natin yan.
Welcome to Happy Leaf, where every leaf is happy.
Kasi, mahilig talaga ako sa milk tea. Maganda siyang inumin. Oh, dito na kayo pumunta. 4th floor, Good Choices, Market, Happy Leaf Milk Tea. Nasa likod niya ng Good Choices. Okay? Buhay na po ito eh. Sarap ikwento yun ha. Mga independent, gano'n, nagsarili. Ginawa natin sa'yo para history yun. So may kayang gumawa nun. Para na yan.
Konektado is having a network of friends, you know, being connected to the world, you know, hindi ka nawawala. You're always up to the minute.
Just like the video that you took part in and produced.
I hope DRP was satisfied with their video, the first music video. Eternal.
Guys,
Kumusta sila Araneta? Why not? Dude, Araneta is a big place. Yeah.
16,035. You got that.
60,000?
Go to Araneta. Coliseum.
I'm good. I'll be Kumbaga, kapit bisig parang EDSA, kapit kamay na para nakakadena, sa balat ng katotohanan, hakbang namin ay karangalan, batid namin ay respeto sa mundong ginagalawan. Kaya makukuha talaga namin yung Araneta Dreams na yun.
Tara, sa Araneta, PNP Tattoo, ando doon din kami.
Palakpakan naman natin ang mga boses. Ang lapit nandito niya. Hey, how you doing, bye?
Ako! Huwag ka malalang pagkamasakin kung mukha mo at tingin ko sa dalawa na para na mukha mo! Can all of us, as true, only Pinoy artists, make it to Araneta Coliseum?
Naniniwala ako, naniniwala.
Kaunti pa lang yan.
Penta, they doing calamidad na. You about to see how they gonna vibe. You hear me?
Ain't nobody really can grind like that. He's, you know.
I know, man. It's not made for everybody. You know what I'm saying? But if you
not.
love it and it's true and it's in your heart, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Ain't gonna want to do nothing else.
The crazy thing is, it's like, you know, you find magic into this. Like, who would have thought I'd be rocking on stage with guys like Alex from Greyhound, Nathan from Bamboo, Jericho Aguilar from Anak, what's his name, Wendell from Pupil Looney, Ian Tayao, all in one set. Just, you know, some random.
Just some legendary stuff, bye.
Yeah, but you know, sometimes we need rest sometimes, you know? So,
Yeah, man. That's why I like taking the bus. Actually,
True.
when we travel from one place to another, the bus is the only time that we catch rest. Look. We in Lipa City, Batangas right now.
Yeah, funky town.
We had a tattoo convention.
Ako'y nandito na ang tunay na markang demonyo. Mas nakakatakot kesa sa multo sa inyong kwarto. Takban mata ninyo upang ako'y di nyo makita. Baka kayo mamatay sa sindak para si Barbara. Ako ang alaala na gusto nyo makalimutan na.
Makikilala naman mo, ngayon makikilala na.
What's poppin', town? We on the ordinary bus right now from Batangas on the way to Batas. What's poppin', town? What's up, man?
Nobody cares you was square. You won battles, oh yeah? True. None of that matters to hear.
Dito na! Dito na! Dito na! Dito na! Katang kayo'y mababagsi! Tangina!
yun, pare. Araneta, pare. Sure yun, pare. Lalo na kung nandun ako. Kahit ako lang, pare. Wala na yun. Like, if Ateneo LaSalle can fill up the Coliseum, and that's just 2 schools, one more, everyone else from every other school that gets overlooked from every other village, every other city. So for sure, man, it can happen.
Marami nang nagmamahal sa kulturang minamahal natin. Kayang-kaya natin punuin yan.
Pagdating namin, kami ng pinakahuling dumating eh. Galing pa kami lipa eh. Fuck, may dami tao. Happy birthday, Billy.
Well, you know what I like about, seeing a good family like it and Billy's birthday? It's kind of touching, man.
Hell yeah. Food's, man, good too.
It's a great party.
Yeah.
It's just the people, it's like the whole environment is so loving.
All the coolest people can show up at the party, the closest friends.
Because the thing is, with us, you guys became our family.
Hell yeah.
Like, we hardly even have time for our own family. I mean, they support us and we love them for that, but we try to balance it as much as we can. Like, he's far from his family.
I'll be back in New York soon. I miss everybody. I want to let everybody know I miss everybody. Since I've been out here, I missed a lot of stuff, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to really get into that stuff right now.
And the blessing out of all of this is like what happened in Robinson's Galleria. We made history.
I without seats.
You can see it right here.
People were sitting on the floor watching it.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. This is a little piece of our journey within a month's work. We will try our best, we will try our hardest to make it to Araneta Coliseum. We can't get there without you guys. Kailangan namin ng mga pangalan nyo, idadagdag namin sa listahan para pag naabot natin ang 16,035, that means we finished step number 2 and we're ready to go to step number 3. So stay tuned. Thank you. God bless. One love. Good vibes. Connected.